The status of my order has been processed successfully. Let me go to my wallet. As we can see, you received money with a small commission plus 619.11 rubles as payment from the project. Friends, we are back with a new investment site. The project is paying off. Hello everyone, friends, you are on the channel How to Make Money on 10x Million and with you. As always, Sandra. Today we have a review of a new money-making site called withdrawal. The site is brand new. It just launched. I have a goal to earn 1 million rubles on this site by the new year to please myself and my loved ones. If you don't know where to make money and where to invest it, be sure to watch the video until the end. I hope everyone enjoys watching. This is what the site's homepage looks like. withdrawal is a reliable investment platform. Explores the world of investing. Invest and withdraw your profits instantly. Let's go to the bottom. Here you can read more about the company. Click the Learn More button. Immediately below we meet investment plans. There are 6 of them. The first tariff plan is 110%. The second tariff plan is 130%. The third tariff plan is 150%. The fourth tariff plan is 170%. The fifth tariff plan is 200%. The sixth tariff plan is 300%. The accumulated hourly profit. The deposit is valid for up to 24 hours. The minimum deposit amount is 100 Russian rubles or $1. There is a Telegram and chat. You can subscribe to them. There is an earnings calculator where you can calculate your income. But now let me calculate my profit. Today I will invest 10,000 rubles or $105 at a rate of 150% in 24 hours. My net profit will be 5,000 rubles or $52. The total profit is 15,000 rubles or $156 in 24 hours in this project. You can earn money without investment, i.e. affiliate program. The affiliate program has 5 very good levels of profit. The first level is 15%. The second level is 2.5%. The third level is 1.5%. The fourth level is 1%. The fifth level is 0.5%. My friends, the company is officially registered and holds company certificates. Next, we see the project statistics. As I told you, the project is completely new. Started today, December 15th. There are currently 12 participants. Invest only for 0.5 more than 1,000 rupees. No payments yet. Here we see the latest deposits. And here we will see the last payments from the project. But now I will go to my account to make my first deposit. This is what our account looks like in the settings. Don't forget to include your payment details. As we can see, I still have everything at 0. But now let me create my first deposit. Come on. I'll be on the third tariff plan, i.e. 150% for 24 hours. Accumulated profit every hour. I chose the Payeer payment system by investing 10,000 rubles. Friends, now I will transfer 10,000 rubles to this wallet, and we will continue. My request has been sent to the administrator. Let me go to my account. Well, friends, my first deposit of 10,000 rubles has been successfully created. Now I will pause the video. Wait for the first due, and I will check the solvency of the project. Well, friends, it's been an hour since my deposit and 1 due has passed. As we can see, I now have 625 in my balance. But now let's make a payment from the project and check the solvency of the project. I chose Payeer as the payment system. The amount to be paid is 625 rupees. My order has been completed. Let me go to the payment history. The status of my order has been processed successfully. Let me go to my Payeer wallet. As we can see, you received money with a small commission plus 619.11 rubles as payment from the project. Friends, the project pays, but this is where I say goodbye to you. Don't miss the chance to make money with me in this new powerful project. I wish everyone good luck. Goodbye, everyone.